This is our first launch, first publication of it.
So you're seeing it here first.
We've been a little busy here at World of Concrete.
Dude, it is like chaos, and there's so many new announcements from DeWALT. I understand why it's so busy.
One of the best though new announcements is, let me just say, DeWALT ToughSystem DXL. Just the size alone,
yes,
is something different than what we've ever launched before, and especially in the trades and the concrete customer base where the tools are bigger. It's not something where you have small drawers for small tools.
Yeah.
I mean, look, the DCA 735 inch and 7/8 hammer conveniently kitted in it, but let's talk about it. So from the ground up, this is a new system for us. You'll see, you know, job sites are rough,
yeah,
they're tough. You gotta have a way to get around and over, so we got a new dolly. Ruggedized wheels, on and off, very, very easy to move around, very smooth, happy about that.
I feel like this should be like over with like David Copperfield. It's like a magic trick.
Well, you know,
there's so much going on, you don't know where to look, bro.
We'll get to the David Copperfield part in a little bit, I promise. So, you know, here at DeWALT, we really listened to our users and they said, we need something bigger. We need something we can roll out of our Connex. Here you go. So you have the deep drawer system, okay? Now we have the 2-drawer DXL system. Very smooth operating. I mean, look at all the stuff.
I like the latches. These are metal latches here.
Yeah.
How much weight can we put in here? Is there?
It's a lot less than I ate at the buffet last night, I can promise you out.
Nice.
When we get closer to launch, we're gonna publish all the details, so.
Beautiful.
As you can see though too, the rail storage system on the side here. So, tool storage, bin, peg hook, very versatile. Gives you the freedom to customize it for what you want, what your needs, what your workers really need.
I'm so overwhelmed with what's going on here. I'm just really honestly trying to take it in. So what we have is a dolly.
We have the dolly.
Right. And then we have these larger boxes, and in between, we have ToughSystem 2.0.
And that's where the magic comes in.
Okay.
We're very always concerned, just like our battery platforms, of not locking our users out of systems that we've had. So our ToughSystem, as you can see, this is our 2-drawer unit. On this side, our 3-drawer unit. They lock in, they fit. Whether it's, you know, the light station, whether it's a storage unit, whether it's a decompact toolbox, or even power stack charger, power shift charger fit right on.
This is great. You know why? Because it's customizable.
That's right.
We're in commercial retail.
Most certainly.
So what we do is we'll take on rollout projects. We could start out with a stack this big to complete that project, but we're able to customize this down to exactly what we need over time, so we never have more than we need. We're not looking for tools that we didn't need in the first place. This is great.
Well, you know, to go one step further though, this is great for storage.
Yes.
But that's only half the story. Because we have the worktop that can be adjusted, this needs to be a mobile workstation as well. The worktop will integrate right into it, latch it down, and now you have the freedom to be able to turn your storage system into a mobile workstation as well.
This is great.
So how many times do you see guys like boxes or sawhorses or makeshift, that you have a ruggedized stand?
Are you judging me?
No.
You've seen some...
No judgment here, but we've all done it. We've all, you said you were just taking fixtures, whether light fixtures or we're trying to, now you have a ruggedized, safe area to work. You can make it even more rugged.
When does this launch? So we're not near launch yet, is that right?
We're getting closer, probably into Q2 of this year. We'll be
so this was just announced at this show?
Q3 will probably be a very safe bet for everybody. Yeah, but this is our first launch, first publication of it.
So you're seeing it here first. And if you like seeing it here first, then smash the like button. Free for you to do. Plus, Chris, you'll get 7 years of good luck the more they smash the like button.
Smash that like button, subscribe.
Yo, Chris is part of the gang, the gang. He's DeWALT, but he's part of the gang.
The gang is important to all of us. Subscribe, get your ToughSystems.
Is there anything else you could share?
Yeah! We're at the World of Concrete, right?
Yes.
You're probably asking, why? Why are we talking about framing nailers here?
We have to frame forms.
Yeah. 35% of concrete is framing.
Of course.
So we have really thought about our design. and continuous innovation with the Power Stack battery. We've got our new 21-degree plastic.
We got a 30.
And a 30. Now, we've always had the best in class kind of this form factor, ergonomics, weight to power ratio.
Yeah.
But why rest? I mean, let's go.
Fair enough.
So what we've done is we've increased performance, we've increased power, stronger magnesium rails, and extended magnesium rails.
They come with the extended. Is this something I have to buy additional? Or no?
That's going to be an additional.
Okay, just checking.
Yes. But look, people have been going all day long.
Oh, yeah.
How many of these do you see not set deep?
No, there's none that, I can't see any that are really proud. Nope.
They're ready to go.
Yeah.
So, depending upon whichever collation you want,
it looks like it almost, the faster you went, the deeper they got. I'm usually a 30-degree guy, but we'll use the.
all right.
Let me ask you, does it have like a rapid function or no?
No.
Oh, it does have a rapid function. Nice. No, there's not really any need for ramp up or anything, right?
No. I mean, it gets the job done. We want to get rid of that, the pain of pneumatics and that cord and wherever you're at. So we improved the design, and we really think that this will just keep our users extremely happy and proud to be in that nailer platform of ours.
It's light and compact, though. You know, it doesn't seem, I don't know.
Well, our old design was still best in class, ergonomics,
size, right,
weight, right? So keeping that size, weight, we just needed to ramp up the power, give it a little bit of juice, a little bit of.
And you did. So
Yeah.
so you're using the same style system, but you've innovated on it to make it better.
I would say more of the same style shape.
Yes.
Brand new mechanics inside of it.
Oh,
now.
it's all brand new.
Yeah, it's brand new. Brand
Nice.
new.
Beautiful. As far as the line of nailers, like, are we going to see like Gen 2s in?
Most certainly. We have a lot of innovation coming in many different, in terms of the finish. You know, we just came out with the pin nailer, the cordless pin nailer. We have many other things coming down the road.
Beautiful.
But
That's great
still
news.
very proud of our 18 gauge finish nailer. And the reason why we have that at World of Concrete is because for the chamfer, the guys have to get that nice corner edge.
Yeah.
It's a perfect concrete tool.
I could appreciate the compact size and the best-in-class ergonomics, even of that previous nailer. The only gripe I've ever heard was like ramp-up time because of the flywheel system in the nailer. People felt the rate of fire wasn't as fast. Me personally, I'm not like a rapid-fire guy anyway.
Right.
But it seems like you've eliminated that issue. Can you tell me a little bit about it, or how you've done it, or?
There is some new technology. When it comes closer to the release
launch.
date,
Okay.
which will be Q3, that'll be publicized. But for right now, just know that when you're trying to bump and you're trying to go, we want to just get it as quick as possible.
It is too. That's awesome, man. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Very proud to be part of the gang. Very proud to be on VCG. Great
Thank you,
job,
Chris.
Vince. Thank you for visiting us.
And if you like, when Chris tells you he's part of the gang, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do. Doesn't cost you a dime. You'll get 7 years of good luck. Listen, I gotta get back to it. There is so much to see here, but I know you probably want more DeWALT, so I got something special for you. It's coming up right after this video. You're gonna love it.